eyes you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
Hey y'all, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my channel. We are about to do a Fenty Soft Glam. So we are starting with the Anastasia brow. And y'all, this is my first voiceover, so bear with me, but I hope you guys enjoy the video.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around.
When it comes to these brows, I be so focused. Like, look how I'm looking into that mirror. Baby, I'm trying to make sure they look like sisters, not twins, but at least sisters.
I can't really explain it.
So shout out to my sister. She put me onto this Wild Brow by Elf. And baby, this is the key to making your eyebrows look natural. Like, basically you have some nice bushy brown eyebrows. Like, she did her big one, okay? Because I kind of always struggle with my eyebrows. But after this, I just, line them out, fill around the edges. And y'all gonna see how these come out. Like, what? Shout out to my sister for that one. She did her big one. See that? Period. Okay, Taylor, I saw you. Uh, Y'all, so right here, I thought I was using a spoolie, and I wasn't. But, we do mess up sometimes.
I don't need no Smith and Weston, no. What were you testing? Focus can't on here's your lesson, no. Life ain't a testing. Taking shots at all your breath, no. Feel like a damn man. You fucking playing.
Sure, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
Okay, so this Bobbi Brown moisturizer is the key. Listen, y'all, it's the key to making y'all makeup look good. Okay? Good. And it smell good. It smell like lemons. But y'all, I always put this on before I put on my makeup, before I put on primer, before anything. I'll do my face routine. And then when I get ready to do my makeup, I always put this on. Bobbi Brown, you did your big one. I'll also leave in the description box all the products that I used so y'all know exactly what I used. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Tint. Y'all, this is why we clicked the video. So I wanted to do a soft glam, but no foundation. Basically, no makeup to little makeup. And so I said, let me just try this. I know I'm so late. I'm very late. But y'all, this stuff is the truth. This does what it's supposed to do. So basically, it does not do full coverage, but when y'all see how it looks like I just put on a blur skin with moisturizer. Y'all about to see, because Rihanna did her big one. She really did. And shout out to Riri, because I love my Fenty Beauty. Majority of all the products that I tried to use today in this video was Fenty. Remember, if you're looking for full coverage, this is not going to give you full coverage. You will need her Pro Filt'r foundation, soft matte foundation if you want the full coverage. But because we wanted to look extremely natural, as if we just did our brows, our lashes, and put some lip gloss on, this is it right here, girls. I've been using this Laura Mercier translucent powder for years, you guys, since I've been in high school, and next year I will be in my 30s. If y'all know any other translucent powder, please leave it in the comment section because your girl is ready to stop using it. Like, I'm so addicted to it. It does nothing wrong. It understands the assignment. But y'all, I'm ready to explore. I'm ready to leave my homegirl. Okay? I'm ready to meet some new ones. Okay? So leave in the description some ones that, don't leave ash or, doesn't make me look like a ghost.
Wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that.
So y'all, this was the Fenty Coco Naughty. Girl, look how I was holding that thing. Oh my gosh, talking about a day. This day was just like a lot for me. But we got the video out. But yes, that is my contour from Fenty Beauty and Coco Naughty. So y'all, I wasn't talking to myself, cause trust me, I do talk to myself sometimes. But right here, I was not talking to myself. My husband, he was talking to me. And I don't know why he thought it was a good time. That's why I had to do a voiceover because I'm like, baby, didn't I tell you I'm making a video? Why is you talking?
I would like to get to know if you could be what kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know.
So I normally don't do eyeshadow when I do a natural look. So I always go back with my contour and just put it all over my lids.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch round around this bitch, named all the coders. I just told her make a show now. I just bought all the Trojans. I told her stab my bitch. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and now we ain't trying to hit. I told her she gotta run to the team before she can talk to the lick. Let's talk, I just pulled up with some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozing. 20 notches and those stitch shoes. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work with my show, you my coochie. I had to say to this bitch I look too sweet. Bitch got a bad boy on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat racks and I came with some fucking weeks. And for my family to not be cheap. I throw the FN on me. Honey, she needs just a Glock key. You rolling dizzy, locked in seats. Me rolling that coupe with a bucket seat. Got it up like a football team. I used to drop out of that photo G. Call it up like it, know what I need. They on me, so we hardly see. Yeah, come in New York, cash money. Yeah, ain't the same man, but I'm stunning. Yeah, one of these guys wanna love me. Yeah, now I didn't know I be loving. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bitch, the X ain't on her jeans. I know she fucking with us. Yeah, yeah, I fuck with flex and we come to eat rats and that man was so fucking corrupt. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, here is the natural look. It is giving just brows, gloss, and lashes, okay? Fenty Beauty, you already know. Use it your big one. I hope you guys like this first video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share with a friend. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Bye, you guys.